In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show buy-sell button in TradingView. If you've ever wanted a faster way to place trades or practice entries without digging through menus, the buy and sell buttons make it simple. They sit right on your chart so you can act quickly, whether you're paper trading or connected to a broker. Let's walk through how to turn them on, and I'll explain what to expect along the way. First, open your chart on TradingView. Make sure you're actually in the charting interface, not just browsing symbols. Once your chart is up, confirm it's showing the market you want to analyze. It doesn't matter which symbol or time frame you're using. The setting we're about to change applies to the chart layout itself. Give the page a moment to fully load so the toolbar and menus are active. Next, look for the gear icon on the chart's top toolbar. That's the Chart Settings button. Click it to open the settings window. You'll see several categories on the left side of that window. Find and select the Trading tab. This tab controls features related to trading tools and visuals, including the on-chart order buttons. Inside the Trading tab, locate the option called Show Buy/Sell buttons and toggle it on. Turning this on tells TradingView to display those quick action buttons directly on the chart so you don't have to open an order panel each time. It's a simple switch, but it makes a big difference in speed and convenience. After you've enabled the toggle, click OK to apply your changes and close the settings window. This step is important. If you don't confirm with OK, the buttons won't appear. As soon as you do, you should see the buy and sell buttons on your chart. Depending on your layout and theme, they typically appear near the price scale or at the top of the chart, clearly labeled. If the buttons still aren't visible, double-check that the toggle is on and that you clicked OK. Also, make sure nothing is covering your chart space, like an expanded data window or a large indicator panel. Once visible, these buttons let you quickly initiate orders. If you're paper trading, they'll place simulated trades. If you're connected to a supported broker, they'll route orders to that account. Either way, the buttons simply speed up access. They don't change your strategy or risk management. So make sure your order sizes and settings are configured the way you prefer. That's it. Open your chart, click the gear icon, go to the Trading tab, toggle Show Buy/Sell buttons on, and confirm with OK. You're ready to trade more efficiently right from the chart.